Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to feed the ferret in Heartopia. In Heartopia, you can interact with wild animals, and one of them is the ferret. You can find the ferret near this river, the Rozzy River. This one you can get. You can find the truth on here. This one. And then now here's the important part to make feeding easier and increase bond faster. Just try doing it during its favorite weather, the rainbow weather, and during this weather the ferret becomes more responsive. And then next you can give its favorite food. Its favorite food is egg, and then sea bass fish, and then goby fish. This one, the bass and then egg. And then next just step on feed like this. You can use one food or combine a couple of them to boost bonding even faster. And after feeding, sometimes you will receive random rewards. These rewards maybe appear at 6 a.m., so don't forget to check it. And okay, that's it. Just find the ferret near the Rozzy River and then feed it during rainbow winters, or just use its favorite foods to level up your bond quickly. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.